Okay, so I'm just trying to confirm if this is streaming live. Okay, so it seems everything is working fine now. Awesome. So let me just do one shuka intro, then we'll get to it. Yeah, I got. Let me just on my camera. Walk through. Oh, okay, awesome. Yeah, what's up, guys? Aremu Smog here, and this is Web Boss Mentorship. We started this a while back for about 3 weeks now. This is the third week, and the goal of this mentorship is to bring junior developers together. I get to discuss with them about potential problems they might be facing on their web development journey. Then we find solutions to those problems. So this is our first live stream of this session, and in this session we are working on Git and GitHub. So in the mentorship we have Toluwani, who is a 100-level student of Obafemi Awolowo University, studying computer science, and we have Mr. Emmanuel, who is an all-round digital expert, digital marketing, graphic design, and now web development. So in today's class / session, Mr. Emmanuel is having issue like working with repos and all, and that's what we've been battling, and we'll continue now. That's my intro. Thanks for joining the session and thanks for watching. Okay, so where's Google Meet? All right, so we're back now. So I think I should kind of describe the issue that we faced before we got here. So Ogaima, when he installed Git and GitHub and everything, he mistakenly turned like his entire computer into a repository. So the issue with that is the whole point of working with Git and version control and stuff like that is so that you can track changes. What that means is if you have turned all his laptop into a repository, he cannot import a repository. Like you cannot create a repository inside of a repository because that defeats the purpose of version control itself, because you are supposed to be able to track things effectively within one folder structure. So, and the way we solved that is he simply went into like the folder containing his laptop, the username, then he enabled hidden files. That, of course, we are using Windows, we are broke, we'll blow very soon, we'll buy MacBook. Then he deleted a folder named .git. So if you ever encounter a problem like that where you mistakenly turn a folder into a repository, what you can just do is go inside that folder, ensure that all hidden files are hidden, then delete the .git folder within that folder. So we'll continue now. So it's trying to clone the remote repository that is hosted on GitHub now. So Agaima, the issue or what is happening right now? My camera is still on. I knew things are bound to go wrong in things like this. So let me turn off my camera. So we'll focus on the codes now. So the issue that we're having presently now is saying that the destination path, NASA web, already exists and is not an empty directory. So here's what I will advise. So go to your desktop, the original project, go, try and rename it to something else. Maybe something that is not NASA web. Just, you can change it to something like NASA_web.
Hello?
Yeah, okay, cool. So now go back to Git clone. So a quick tip, in order to avoid repeating this command, just press up. Just press up. Like press the arrow up key on your laptop. Then press enter. So this is actually an effective way of working with command line. And in fact, I've been thinking of doing a video around command line because people tend to fear command line, but it's actually easy at the barest minimum. So just press enter, then things should work fine now. Enter.
So,
Good. So it's cloning the repo now. Awesome. So what we do now is this: is you copy every single thing inside the NASA_web. So just what do you call it? Minimize this for now. Minimize this guy for now. Minimize git bash for now. So minimize it for now. Then yeah. So go to NASA web. NASA_web, I mean.
web.
Yeah, double click on it. Yeah, like enter the folder. Press Ctrl A, and the only thing that should not be selected here is this .git folder. So press Ctrl A, then uncheck .git, then copy. Then paste it inside the new folder, which is now your working repository. Yeah. So copy, right click, copy, or Ctrl C, anyone that you find much more effective. Yeah. Then minimize this or close this folder. Then go inside the NASA web folder, which we've just created now. So now, it is beside Auntie Abigail Speaks. That's that folder. The new folder you've created is beside Auntie Abigail Speaks. Can you see the folder now? Can you see the new folder? The folder for NASA Web.
I don't get this.
So there is no, you don't need to create a new folder. A new folder has been created for you. If you look at this BGC World logo, under the G, there is a folder called Auntie Abigail Speaks. There is NASA Web beside it now. That's the folder that was on GitHub that we just cloned to your laptop. Do you get the gist? Do you understand what's going on now? Or should I go over it again?
I think I saw it now.
Okay, this is the folder. This is the correct folder. But the question now is this: do you understand what's going on? Like, this folder is what we cloned from GitHub. When we said git clone and we pasted that URL, this folder was copied to your laptop. You get the gist, Abby?
Yes.
Yeah. So now those files you copied, now paste them in here. Terra copy. All this Musula software. I don't believe it works, Sha. I don't know. I don't believe it works.
That's not how I think it's kind of faster than this normal window explorer stuff. There was the day I was here and I started.
I still don't believe. I still don't believe that it's faster than normal Windows Explorer. Everything is just vibes and inshallah. Well, that's you said.
NASA Web and NASA Web.
So if you don't need this, if you don't need these folders, you can delete them. But anything you copied or you are pasting here is actually coming from that your old folder. You said? So just delete these two folders. I don't think you need them.
It's another with me.
So I think what's happening is you've created these folders before from that your old stuff. So now right click anywhere here inside this place and git bash shell. So
I'm having two git bash shell.
It doesn't matter. You can close these ones. Yeah, you can close these ones. You don't need them. So avoid confusion. So just do git add space full stop So this adds all, what do you call it? The enter, yes. This adds all the files to memory. Toluani, I hope you are following. Because this one you are just silent. And you're the one that said we should live stream. Bless the people with your voice now. You're the one that said we should live stream. So you need to bless them with your voice. Yeah. So let's wait while this file does, while it adds. That's the issue with live streaming. If something will take 50 minutes, you wait for that 50 minutes to be done, don't you? Before you can proceed. But if it's normal recording like this, you can speed things up, you can, yeah. But it's okay, we'll just wait. This shouldn't take so much time. The whole file is about 25 MB, so good. So the only thing you need to do now is just, yeah. So Git push. Do Git push now. And you shouldn't have any problem.
Enter.
Yeah, enter. So just give it a minute.
Everything up to date.
Everything? No, everything is not up to date now. Oh, no, okay. So the next thing is to commit. Sorry, we need to commit. So Git commit. We need to commit. We need to commit before we push. I don't know how. So Git commit -m space then -m. No, you have to enter a commit message. Press Ctrl C. Press Ctrl C. Press Ctrl C. You need to commit. You need to commit the files. What we've done is just to add the file. The next thing is to commit it. Press Ctrl C here now to remove this message. Press Ctrl C.
I've done that.
Okay. Press.
I've done that.
I'm coming. Press Ctrl X. Press Ctrl X now to exit from this. Good. So the command, I will type the command in the chat section. So you can just copy and paste it. Git commit then we'll just enter a message, say new upload. Although commit messages are supposed to be better than this, but I don't want things to be complicated at this stage. So if you can see the command, you have to go to your browser actually, I think, or if you're on phone. Good. New upload. Then press enter.
Then I press enter.
Sure. Then Git push. And we should be fine. Okay, sure. Did I just pick Yoruba now? Omo. I'm sorry if you are watching this live stream and you are hearing noise. So this was totally unplanned. So I could not set up properly and everything. So that's why you might be hearing some noise.
I think that.
So it's almost done. 3%, and we're going to 100%. I hope the internet over there is strong. 15%, 16%. You are seeing the progress now. You can see how it's moving. The total file size is like 25 kilobytes. So, and what has been uploaded so far is just 7 megabytes. I said kilobyte, 25 megabytes rather. And we've only been able to upload 7 megabytes or so. So if you go to GitHub and try and refresh, I think you should be seeing some files on there already. Can you go to GitHub? Like, go to your browser. Let's check out GitHub. Comfort. Ogama, is the network still going? The screen has frozen now. I hope it's not my network that is messed up. Minus. Okay, my network is good. I think
that's frozen here.
You said?
That's frozen here too.
So I think it could be his network.
Yeah.
I think it could be his network. But let's just wait. Or one thing I can do is if I come to, I'll check out GitHub and say BGC World. BGC World. I'm checking GitHub now. So I want to try and check the progress updates on GitHub. Users, does everyone use our name? So forgive me if I fumble, because I'm only human. Okay. So repositories, NASA web. So you actually may not be able to see what I'm doing though, because I'm streaming and I'm also so it's still coming in, I guess. So it is out of the meeting. That means network issues. So I guess we just wait for him. But the only problem now is this: for live stream, it's not possible to pause except we stop. So if we wait for like a minute or two and it's not back, I guess we just stop the live stream, and the people who watch this live stream or who watch the progress should be able to get the gist. So Tobani, I hope the process makes sense and you don't have any questions concerning JITs and GitHub and everything. If you have any questions, you can ask.
Sure, not yet. I don't have any questions.
Okay. So the question I have for you now is like you know, I gave you guys a task like two weeks ago, which you turned in and all of those things. Have you tried working with Git and GitHub after then?
Yeah, I've been like working with Git for a while, even before you introduced it. So
okay,
there's not been a big deal, except for the part that I taught us how to use Git. So
okay, you've been using GitHub before, but you've not been using Git.
Yeah, look, like I really understand everything, but then some courses that I signed up for, they actually taught Git. So
okay,
I didn't know how to use Git well, but I learned GitHub with using command line.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So the question now is because so the whole essence of this session now is if a concept was not making so much sense, if a concept was not making so much sense, is for it to make much sense. Sure, again. So the question now is like between now and the time that we've worked on this mentorship thing and all, like, does Git and GitHub, does it make more sense to you now? Is it something that you feel like, oh, you've gained more confidence working on or working with?
Yes, it does.
No, don't farms me. If it has not, let us know so that we'll solve problem. Because I'm not up for farms, you know. Let's speak the hard truth or the truth.
Yes, it does. It does make like a whole lot of sense, like more sense than did before.
Awesome. So I think the basic problem is many a times people or many platforms or many learning platforms try to throw a lot of concepts at you. Say this one, this one, this one, this one, that one. I think the approach of just focusing on the essentials, then then you learning the tough parts later on. I think it goes a long way. At least if you can pull a repo from GitHub, add new files to it, push it back and all those things. I feel like for starters, that's actually a whole lot that you're doing already. So as time goes on, you can now go to other things like reflog and all of those things, other really complex things that even sometimes I myself have not used. So yeah, I think it makes sense. Oga is back. Well, there was network issue.
Sorry. There was a network issue.
You cannot be begging me now. You cannot be telling me sorry now. We are in this Nigeria together now. So why will you be telling me sorry?
Thank you.
Yeah. So yeah. So I'm guessing. So is the upload completed? You can share your screen so that we'll just pick up from where we stopped. Give me my number. Hello?
I'm 62%. No.
Okay, 62%. Oh, awesome. I didn't get that. I can't see your screen yet, though. It seems the network is really dealing with us this morning.
That is 72% now. That is 72 now.
Okay, 72. I can't. Toluwani, can you see your screen? I can't see your screen, no.
We are completely now.
I can't see the screen, though.
I can't see your screen, no.
It's like there are two stores DSF.
Oh, I think what he did is, Ogama, you did not present like your screen. I think what you presented was a tab.
Oh, I'm sure the screen. You lost your connection right.
Oh, I think that one is an internet issue. But the way we can check for the progress, so since this is a live stream, people who are actually on the live stream,
it's reloading.
Okay. Or anybody who will check the live stream later, which I'm sure Toluwani is one, will actually be able to see what I'm about to do now. So I've actually refreshed your repo on GitHub now, and I can see that the new files are up, and we have new upload as the tags. But it would be nice if you can still see your screen and just see things.
Yeah, I'm sharing it now.
So you are sharing your screen, but what you are sharing is Chrome. What you are sharing is your Chrome tab. You are not sharing your entire screen. I don't know if you are getting me. You are not sharing your entire screen. What you are sharing is just the Chrome tab. So all we are seeing now is the interface of Google Meet. Do you get?
Okay.
Yeah. So
I think I will rejoin again.
No, there's no need to rejoin. Just click on share, then select your entire screen. There is an option for your entire screen. There should be like 3 options there.
Yes, I'm kind of logged out on the system already.
It's okay. But the thing is this now. Like, if you check GitHub, so let me share my own screen. The entire screen. Let me share my own screen. Let me know when you're able to see my screen. Can you see my screen? You can see. Okay, cool. So.
Yes, I can see your screen.
So this is your folder now. This is your repo.
I can see.
So you see now, we now have new upload, which means that the files have been successfully pushed to GitHub. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. Hello?
Yes.
Yeah. So, I don't know. So, yeah. So, I believe that moving forward, like, this whole procedure should not be much of an hassle again. And just to reiterate, the workflow that I use, which I found very effective, is one, go to GitHub, create a new repo on GitHub, clone that repo to your laptop. When you are done cloning the repo to your laptop, that's when you should begin your project. In a situation whereby you've already started the project, copy and paste all the codes from whatever folder you are working in, or cut it and paste it into your new repo. Git add dot whatsoever, then dot, then git commit, then push back to GitHub, and everything works fine and nice. So I don't know if there are any further questions on this before we call it a day, because we are past our 1 hour timeline, or our one hour normal stuff. So if anybody has anything else to ask, any questions, so that could be our point of discussion by next week. And I think at this point we can even stop streaming, because this one is now internal palaver.